this video, I'll show you how you can fix Steam error code E84. Now the first step is you want to come here and search for Task Manager, go to Details, press Anywhere and sort by the name, then press S, then look for any Steam, and if you have Steam open, you want to click on it and then the task. After that, click here, right click on Steam and close it down if you have it opened. After that, you want to go on Google and search for Steam Login. Go to the login page and press Help, I can't sign in. And then you want to press I forgot my Steam account name or password. Click on it and then reset your password and just follow all of the steps. Once you've done that, you can just close it down. And then what we want to do is we want to come here and we want to search for run. Type in temp. Inside of temp, you want to delete everything. If this pops up, just check this one and press skip. Skip. And close it down. Then type run again. This time type percentage, temp percentage. Then do the same in here. Skip. And we can do this. And we're gonna do this one more time with the last folder. So type run, type in prefetch, press enter, and just continue. Then in here you want to close down these as well and skip these. Then after this, what you want to do is you want to search for date and time settings. Make sure it's set on automatically and make sure you have the correct time zone. After that, restart your PC and then it should hopefully work. The last option is you can try and uninstall Steam if it doesn't work and then reinstall it. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.